blow. Body blow.
Hey, B.
What's up?
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
2023. There you go. There you go, buddy.
It's 2024. Right? Yeah, it is.
It is, right?
So, just making sure.
Yeah. Happy New Year, buddy.
Happy New Year. 2023 was a good year.
Yep.
2024, gonna be even better.
Better.
New studio. New look.
New year, new you. Okay, so let's get going because we got a lot to get through.
Okay.
So
What do you got?
A little montage
Okay.
of officers that, well, I'll let you watch it and you be the judge, okay? Don't get angry.
Okay.
Keep cool.
Okay.
Let's roll it.
I'm not angry.
Let's roll it.
Plus, I'm angry.
Let's roll it.
Passionate.
Okay. Las Vegas naked attack. There's a better clip though. It's got more audio. This is just a little thing. Look, here it comes. He takes off, dude.
Fight.
Oh.
Body blow. Left. Uppercut.
He drove for 6 miles. And he ran
Naked.
Yep.
In a police car.
Naked and afraid. Now this is the Louisville Slurpee cops.
Okay.
You might have saw these guys, right? Did you see this clip?
I did see this. I actually saw this on a YouTube channel I actually watch. Steven Strangles People.
Yep.
I follow him. He follows us as well. That's where I saw this.
Isn't it crazy? They're in police vehicles throwing Slurpees at innocent citizens.
Oh no, I got it on film.
So one of the officers got 2.5 years in prison. The other one got 3 months.
Don't miss.
They should.
Yeah.
They should. Yeah, this is unacceptable.
Yeah.
Completely unacceptable behavior.
Yeah. Immature cops is what they are.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah, that pisses me off.
Chicago, Houdini. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So either someone's dying or disappearing.
They're responding to a shoplifter.
Okay.
Okay. 4 females come out to address this single BMA, black male adult.
Okay.
Okay. This is all captured by surveillance. There's no audio. They got got them surrounded.
Yep.
Right?
Perfect. Yep.
Okay, now they're going hands on.
Yep. Looks good.
He's not necessarily a no person, right?
Yeah, he's not fighting at all. He's just chilling. He's probably like, "What's up? Well, why you got to do this?"
Yeah.
Same thing people used to ask us all the time. What's going on? What's going on? I need to do this. Anything to stall the actual getting placed into custody. That's what they do.
Yep. He's being a little bit more resistant now.
Yep.
Now, if he was a really...
You get another vehicle over to the system on the east side of northeast corner of 95th and Ashland.
Okay, so apparently dispatch is watching them, or cameras is watching them, right? They're sending more people over to
on the east
where
side
they're
of the
at.
street by the liquor store. I see a couple cars. Can I get a couple more cars? All the twos? 270. Hello?
You got 4 there already. You got 4 there. You got 4 cops. 4 cops should be able to take down one suspect.
Well, female cops. Yeah, 4 female cops.
You said it, not me. I'm already catching enough heat for what I said.
It was a positive on the
Not falling for that one again. Maybe I will, because they're not doing so well. Well, they got him up against the cage, like the UFC.
All right, 95 and Ashland. Give me some more cars. Give me some more cars, 95 and Ashland. Give me some more cars.
Now, he's got a handcuff on his wrist.
And I'm going to assume that they're not going to get that handcuff on the other wrist. They're not doing well.
No.
This should have been over already. Should have been done.
And watch.
Should have been a piece of cake.
He's gone. Okay. Go ahead and pause that, Steve. That's pretty much it.
Well, that goes to show you that, I mean, if you don't train, I mean, we say it all the time.
Yeah.
You need to train. If you don't know how to take a person down to the ground, even by yourself as a cop, I'm sorry.
You're going to be hurt.
You're wrong. You're going to be in a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
The fact that 4 females couldn't take down this dude.
And he wasn't being aggressive.
No.
If he wanted to, he could start throwing some friendlies, right?
If he wanted to, he could have knocked all 4 of them
Before they had a chance to draw the
Before
weapon.
that, he could have got his hands free, pop, 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 pop.
Yeah.
And that, so he was actually very nice in resisting. He was not going crazy.
Yeah.
He wasn't throwing punches. He was actually very nice.
But he wasn't going to jail today.
But he didn't want to go to jail.
Yep.
So that it's acceptable to a standpoint that he doesn't want to hurt the officers. He just wants to get away. Hey, I can respect that.
Yeah.
But our job as cops is to get them in custody.
Yeah.
These women failed.
Yeah, they did.
So
and
shame on them.
They're getting bashed on the interwebs because 4 females should they be police officers? Right? That's the big debate.
Right.
Listen, I have no problem with a female police officer.
Nope,
None.
none at all.
There's
a lot of great female
if
cops.
she can hold her own, and I've seen female cops be more aggressive than they should be because they think they need to make a point and they really don't.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Right?
I've seen that as well. Yeah.
But I've seen some good female officers really handle their business, and I'm happy to hear. But these girls here are not them, unfortunately.
No, they slept through the class on how to take somebody in custody.
Right. So they're getting a lot of hit on physical fitness, because a lot of the girls were a little healthier,
A little bigger,
right?
A little bigger,
right? So
which is, it's the truth.
It happens.
If we can't say the truth, then we're doomed as a country because the truth is the truth. So yeah, those girls were not ready to take him into custody. They couldn't, and it showed, and that's a shame.
And honestly, listen, you get fooled by the suspect's action. If he's being nice, you kind of let your guard down a little bit, and I think that's what these girls did, because he wasn't being super resistant. He was just compliant, right? So
right.
They could have escalated their ability to take him down by actually taking him down.
Right. They could have started pulling out tools. They could have started hitting them with a baton. They could have tried a taser.
Get the old pepper spray.
Yeah, get pepper spray.
Right.
They could have tried those things. They didn't.
Yep.
They went hands on, which I don't have a problem with. Me and you almost never used any tools except our hands, our mouths, and our guns. That's the only tools we needed as cops. That you're going to use the most.
Yeah.
But these guys with the Slurpees.
Yeah. Disgrace.
Well, I've seen comments where people are like, cops cover for other cops. And maybe that's true in other departments. I can't speak for every department in the country. I can speak for Metro in Las Vegas, and that would not happen here. And if that did happen here, and if I saw 2 cops doing that here, as soon as I saw that, I would yell, I would get them on the radio, hey, with their call sign 3 Ocean 44, Ocean 45, meet me someplace. And I would meet someplace where it's, out of where there's privacy.
It's self-policing.
I would smack him across the mouth and say, dude, turn yourself in. Or I'm going to turn you in. This is unacceptable. Plus, in Vegas, everybody has cameras. The fact that they threw a Slurpee at somebody walking down the street,
multiple.
Like if that had been me walking down the street and the cops threw a Slurpee at me, I'm coming after him. Yeah. You don't have the right to do that to me. You don't have the right to throw shit on people.
You know how they got popped? They showed that video to some of their buddies, and then some of the buddies said, "This isn't right."
As they should. So cops do turn in other cops. Trust me.
Yep.
But there's bad cops. So I'm sorry. It is what it is. There's bad cops everywhere.
What about the naked guy in Vegas?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know him? I don't know him.
I know that officer. I know him very well. I worked with him for years. You know what? He's a great dude. He's kind of like a funny, goofy kind of guy. He's not super hard charger, serious cop. He's more of a laid back and, hey, what's going on?
Yeah. Nice guy.
Doesn't train too much at all, I don't think. And
it shows.
Yeah. Well, I think when he showed up on that, he got caught by surprise, which clearly he did because he got his butt whooped by a naked guy.
It's excited delirium. Those you don't know what to prepare for. It's like delirium.
Like we've always said,
those little Tasmanian devils.
Right. Like we've always said, when you show up, you don't know what really you're getting into. You know what I'm saying? It's scary. And he heard that there was a guy running around at a certain intersection. He comes to one intersection. He's not even there yet. And then the dude's running at his car. So just like, real life, 2:00 in the morning, he's a human being, right? The cop, he's probably half asleep or tired or whatever. And here comes a naked dude running out.
Yep.
Gets out of the car, tried to do it. What happened? The dude's attacking him. You just get out of the car. It's freezing. Are you ready for a fight? Are you stretched out?
No.
Are you warmed up?
Yep.
No. You're just like, oh, are you kidding me?
Yep.
And he got attacked and the guy got the best of him. It happens.
He got carjacked.
He got carjacked. But thankful that when he knocked him down, he didn't keep attacking him and try to get to his gun and try to kill him. Yeah. Or I don't know. I should say, but try to hurt him. But thank God he just when he knocked him down.
But he did, the suspect did run into some other vehicles and caused some injuries to those people too. So
well, that sucks. But that happens.
So let me ask you this: how are you gonna? Let's rate this whole video with one donut rating, not individual donut ratings, because they're all about the same.
You want to rank these?
Yeah, why not?
What are you thinking?
That's why I asked you. I'll say 2.
I was going to say
just because they showed up.
I was going to say maybe 0. No, we can't ever get a 0 unless it's just a complete shit show.
Except for those Slurpee cops.
Oh yeah, no, they don't get no donut. No.
2 donuts.
They get prison time, is what they get. That's what they did. See, and
2.5, 3 months.
Right. Cops go to prison. Cops go to prison.
They go hard though.
Yeah. So remember, even here in Metro, it was 19. It was right when I hired on, like 98. Going into 99, we had 2 officers that did a drive-by shooting.
Oh yeah.
Remember? Don't say their names. Not going to say their names. Yeah. But there's 2 cops, right? They were
in gang units.
They were in the gang unit. They were way too involved with what was going on. Yeah. They weren't married. They weren't anything. Just single guys driving around on their days off, looking for gangbangers. Not good, like in the movies. And what happens? They see somebody they didn't like, and they try to pin something on. They couldn't do it, whatever. And then they end up doing drive-by shooting. Yeah. And they are in prison for life. Yeah. Both of them got life. So cops do go to jail, and I'm happy that officer's okay. I'm glad the 2 Slurpee throwers are in jail.
And the girls are going.
And the girls need to go to a defensive tactics class. Start taking some training, start taking some jujitsu, and learn how to control somebody. Because the 4 women, that was perfect. That was not good. Perfect. So I'm going to say, 1 donut for each cop just for showing up on the call.
Yeah. Perfect.
Right?
I dig it.
Sound good?
Yep.
If you feel differently,
let us know.
Let us know in the comments. All right. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you have any questions for us, ask us at LVCopsTV. We'll hit you right back here. Live on video. Thank you for our friends at Zangief Jiu-Jitsu and Simply Vegas, Jonathan Jacobs, Simply Vegas. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour duty, please.
Make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.